In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin team member to Teachable. To get started, make sure you're signed into your Teachable school with an account that has the right privileges. You need to be the primary owner or an existing admin to add another admin. If you're already in, you'll be on the admin dashboard, which is the control center for your school. Next, look to the left sidebar and open the Users section, then select Admins. This is where all team members with elevated access are managed, so it's the perfect place to add someone new and keep track of who has what level of control. In the top right corner, click the Add Admin button. A form will pop up where you'll enter your new team member's basic information. Add their name and their email address. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of the email. This small step avoids delays or missed invitations later. You'll see an option to set a password. This is optional. If you leave it blank, Teachable will send an email prompting your team member to create their own password securely. That's often the simplest and most secure route. If you choose to set a password for them, make sure you share it via a secure channel and encourage them to change it after their first login. Now choose the role that best fits the access they need. Owner is the highest level and has full control over the school, so reserve it for people who truly need complete access. Author is ideal for instructors who create and manage course content but don't need full administrative power. If your plan includes custom roles, you can tailor permissions so the person has exactly what they need and nothing more. A least privilege approach helps keep your school safe and organized. When everything looks good, click Add New Admin to finalize. At this point, Teachable will either send the new admin an email to set up their login, or, if you created a password for them, they can sign in with those credentials right away. Let them know to check their inbox and spam folder, and remind them which role they've been assigned so they understand what they can access. That's it. You've successfully added an admin team member to your Teachable school. By choosing the correct role and using the invite flow, you'll onboard new teammates quickly and securely, keeping your school running smoothly as your team grows.